With latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly lower, having eased from a 19-month high on Thursday, following the mixed cues overnight from Wall Street after minutes of the Federal Reserve's latest monetary policy meeting said it might be appropriate to raise interest rates fairly soon. In addition, weaker commodity prices weighed on resources stocks. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 traded down 0.27%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was off by 0.46%, and the Shanghai Composite fell 0.39%. The S&P 500 closed about 0.1% lower. Australia stocks were lower after the close on Thursday, as the S&P ASX 200 lost 0.35%. The dollar made an even recovery from losses suffered after Federal Reserve minutes indicated a cautious approach to raising US interest rates, while the Aussie fell in Asia on Thursday as private spending for capital items dipped more than expected. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, rose 0.05% to 101.36. The euro was slightly lower to 1.05535 US dollars. On Wednesday, it fell below 1.05 US dollars for the first time in 6 weeks, on concern anti-European Union candidate Marine Le Pen could win France's presidential election in May. Australia dollar US dollar fell 0.01% to 0.7700, while US dollar Japanese yen is 0.04% to 113.26. The Chicago Fed's measures of the broad trend for the U.S. economy based on the bank's National Activity Index are in focus today. U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index 1330 GMT. U.S. economic growth is on track for a moderate pickup in the first quarter, according to the implied growth forecast for GDP via the U.S. Composite Output Index for February. Market survey data is currently expecting a 2.5% rise in first quarter output, moderately above the 1.9% increase in 2016's fourth quarter. The survey's employment index is meanwhile indicating that a respectable 165,000 jobs were added to the economy in February. The Federal Reserve is still expected to keep interest rates on hold at the next month's policy meeting. Today's January update of the Chicago Fed National Activity Index is also expected to offer an upbeat profile of the US macro trend. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.